Groot and Rocket's wild escape from Raft Island prison goes horribly wrong. Caught stealing a terroir laser for farming, they're busted by General Ross as the Avengers roll in. Released as honorary Avengers, things spiral when Groot, sniffling from a flirkin' cold, sneezes on Captain America. Next thing you know, Cap's sprouting botanical growths and turns zombie. Black Widow's bitten, then Iron Man, Ant-Man, and even Thor fall to the infection. Rocket takes a shot at Widow, but Bruce Banner yeets him out of the Quinjet. Groot saves him just in time. As the zombified Avengers wreak havoc in NYC, Bruce wakes to an apocalyptic nightmare. Groot's immune, but Hulk's ready to smash, not save. Can Groot guide Bruce to Avengers Tower for an antidote before undead Thor brings the hammer down?